Hello. Today we will be unboxing the Brother Label Printer. First, let's open and unpack the box. The first thing you will notice is the power cable, then the power adapter, a USB printer cable, 2 different size label rolls with holders, and finally, the Brother Label Printer. You will also find the user manual located underneath the printer. Unpack all items, and we will start setting up the printer. Now start by taking the printer and flipping it over. Locate the power port and USB port. Start by unwrapping the power cord and power adapter. Plug the power cord into the adapter. Then plug the adapter into the back of the printer's power port. Next, take the square end of the USB cable and plug it into the USB port of the printer. Plug the other end of the USB cable into the USB port of your Clover POS system. Now remove all the protective film from the top of the label printer. Then open the label roll door using the thumb latch. Now let's take the label roll with holder and remove the tape holding it down. Take the roll and look for the notch on the holder. If you are looking at the printer from the front, the holder notch will go to the right side of the printer. You will see the slot that this side of the holder will slide into. Next, turn on the printer. You will need power to feed the paper. Now take the paper and feed it through the slot inside the printer as shown here. When you push it through, you will see a piece of paper be pushed out. This is just a spacer paper and can be thrown away. Continue to push the paper until it pops out of the other side. After you have about 3 inches sticking out, click on the scissors icon. This will auto-feed the paper and cut it automatically. Your Brother Label Printer is now ready for the next steps of setting up with your Clover POS system. Open your Clover POS system. You will need an app called Easy Labels. First, go to the App Marketplace and do a search for an app called Easy Labels. Once located, tap on Connect to add it to your device. After it has been added, tap Open. Now that we are in the app, the printer should have been auto-detected and connected. If at the top it says Not Connected in red, you will need to manually connect it. Tap on the name next to the red warning. This will bring up a list of printers. This printer is called the Brother QL-810W. Select that printer and it should now be connected. If it still says Not Connected, close the app and open it again. Now that it is connected, you will get a warning that there is a label size mismatch. On the side of the label holder, you will see the size dimensions of the paper roll labels. Now inside Easy Labels, tap on Change Label Design. Then on the left side, find the size that was listed on the label holder. When done, tap Save. Now let's do a test print. Find an item you want to create a label for and select it. Then tap Print All and then tap Start Printing. If all is correct, a label will print. Tap the scissors icon on the printer to cut the label. Your Brother Label Printer is now ready to be used with your Clover POS system.